To central Indiana, and outside we go with a live look here as we are getting ready for some more winter weather heading our way. Chief Meteorologist Ashley Brown is joining us now. Not everybody's going to get snow, though, right, Ashley?
Yes. The problem is that the snow won't stick for everyone. You remember how the event was over the weekend?
Yeah.
It was here and then it was gone.
Yeah.
Not a sign of it. This time we have rain mixing in, which will really cut down on totals, and what you see in the grassy areas will be pretty slushy. I do think there will be a period of time on Wednesday where we actually get in on good snow, and I think that's kind of widespread. But I think mainly around an inch or so is what we'll see after the system dies down. There are several chances for seeing snow at this event. Let's go over it here. So this is the event. You can see it sitting out to our west, moving into St. Louis, bringing first snow and then rain. I think it'll do the exact same thing to us when it moves in. First snow, then rain. We see this event kind of moving in rather slowly, right? As far as the heavier pockets of rain, that moves in on Tuesday. As far as the snow that sticks, that's Wednesday. All right, so we're waiting on it, and it's sitting out there. You can see it beginning to approach our area with rain. I think the western portion of the state near Terre Haute will be first to see the rain from this event. So rain and snow moving our way. Winter weather advisories out, and once again, winter weather advisories are not necessarily about snow. It's about how the weather impacts your travel, and it will impact the travel here, as we'll see, of course, the advisory for most locations along and north of Interstate 70. Marion County not included, but Hamilton County included in this. And there's the advisory out until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So dealing with quite a bit of weather here, as we've dealt with quite a bit of weather moving forward. Now, as far as the temperature trend goes, we're going to see those numbers drop off tonight. So hour by hour we go. So tonight, once we get to around 10, 11 p.m., heavy rain falling for areas south of the Bloomington-Columbus line, light to moderate rain for Indy, and some snow mixing in for areas to the north. So this is a rain-snow mix event, right? Rain at a certain portion, then snow, and then a mix. So tomorrow morning as you travel out, be careful, use caution. I think if you're along and north of Interstate 70, because you've had both rain and snow mixing, that you could get in on some slick spots. The temperature trend isn't incredibly cold. We're in the low 30s. I think it's cold enough to cause some issues, so be careful. By late morning tomorrow, we transition to all rain. Everyone rain. Rain coming down pretty steady and heavy at times, but here's the thing. The back edge of the system, behind it, is where we'll find the gusty winds on Tuesday night into Wednesday, and that wind is the wind of change. It's going to drop these temperatures quickly, drop them enough by the time we get to Wednesday that we transition to all snow. This is where we'll pick up any snowfall totals at. An inch or two in many locations, but once again, it's slushy because we've had so much rain, and we'll have a temperature trend that begins to bounce back by the time we get into your Wednesday and Thursday. Right now, we're at 39 degrees for Indy, 39 Bloomington, 34 for you in Kokomo. As far as what we can expect here, we can always expect it to feel colder. These winds pick up tomorrow, right now at 10 to 15 miles per hour, so it feels colder. Currently, it feels like the low 30s for us. 31 Indy, 20s for areas north of Interstate 70. There is change in the atmosphere here, tracking snow throughout the night, and snow, then rain, then snow. Once again, we transition back and forth. As far as how much, this model was saying what I expect, an inch or two in many locations, not a big snow event because it's such a slushy rain event. As far as the timing and what you can expect, these storm impacts, tonight, wintry mix north, rain at times. As we get into Tuesday, mainly rain, and by Tuesday night, strong winds pick up the backside of that front. You deal with that snow on Wednesday. Temperatures in the 40s tomorrow, so still mild. As we get into Wednesday, 30, still great. Hensley Legal Group 8-day forecast. Take a look at this. Now, Phil's not going to be happy about this, but I want to say it. So a snow event coming our way again as we head to a weekend. Also, behind this event is a 1-2 punch. We'll see high temperatures in the teens and overnights in the single digits. And let me tell you, my forecast for next week is quite optimistic.